Hey there, ever wondered why some men seem to effortlessly attract women back into their lives? Want to know the secret that keeps women returning to a high-value man like a magnet? Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of how to make women return to you, using the timeless principles of Stoicism. Stay tuned, because the insights we're about to share could transform your relationships and your life. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the ancient wisdom of Stoicism and how it can be applied to modern life. Today's topic is one that many of you have asked about: how to be the kind of man that women want to come back to. This isn't about manipulation or playing games, it's about becoming a high-value man who naturally attracts respect and admiration. First, let's talk about what it means to be a high-value man. A high-value man is someone who lives by his principles, has a clear sense of purpose, and is unshakable in his self-worth. He doesn't need to chase validation from others because he's grounded in his own value. This kind of inner strength and confidence is incredibly attractive, and it's one of the main reasons women are drawn to such men. One of the core teachings of Stoicism is to focus on what you can control and let go of what you cannot. This is crucial when it comes to relationships. You cannot control another person's feelings or actions, but you can control your own behavior and mindset. By focusing on becoming the best version of yourself, you naturally create an environment where people, including women, want to be around you. Let's delve into some specific Stoic principles that can help you become a high-value man and make women return to you. 1. Cultivate inner peace. Inner peace is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. It's about finding calm and balance within yourself, regardless of external circumstances. When you are at peace with yourself, you radiate a sense of tranquility that others find attractive. Practice mindfulness, meditation, and self-reflection to cultivate this inner peace. 2. Live with purpose. Having a clear sense of purpose gives your life direction and meaning. Women are naturally attracted to men who know what they want and are actively pursuing their goals. Define your purpose and let it guide your actions and decisions. 3. Be resilient. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and keep moving forward. It's a key trait of high-value men. When you encounter challenges, face them head-on and learn from them. Your resilience will inspire others and make you a more attractive partner. 4. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful practice that shifts your focus from what's lacking to what you have. It helps you appreciate the people and opportunities in your life. Expressing gratitude not only enhances your own happiness but also strengthens your relationships. 5. Show empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's an essential quality for building strong, meaningful connections. Show genuine interest in others, listen actively, and be compassionate. Your empathy will create deeper bonds and make women feel valued and understood. 6. Maintain your boundaries. Boundaries are crucial for maintaining healthy relationships. Know your limits and communicate them clearly. Respect yourself enough to enforce your boundaries, and others will respect you as well. This self-respect is a key component of being a high-value man. 7. Lead by example. Be the change you want to see in the world. Live your values and principles consistently, and others will naturally follow your lead. Your integrity and authenticity will attract people who appreciate and admire you for who you are. 8. Stay humble. Humility is about recognizing that you don't have all the answers and being open to learning and growth. It's about being confident without being arrogant. Stay humble, and you'll attract people who value your wisdom and authenticity. 9. Communicate clearly. Effective communication is vital for building and maintaining relationships. Be honest, direct, and respectful in your interactions. Clear communication fosters trust and understanding, which are essential for any strong relationship. 10. Take care of yourself. Self-care is about nurturing your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. When you take care of yourself, you show others that you value and respect yourself. This self-respect makes you more attractive and sets a positive example for others. Now, let's break down each of these principles in more detail and explore how you can apply them in your daily life to become a high-value man and make women want to return to you. Cultivate inner peace. Inner peace starts with self-awareness. Take time each day to reflect on your thoughts and emotions. Use mindfulness practices, such as meditation or journaling, to observe your inner state without judgment. By understanding your inner world, you can identify what disrupts your peace and take steps to address it. Meditation is a powerful tool for cultivating inner peace. Start with just a few minutes each day, sitting quietly and focusing on your breath. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently return your focus to your breath. Over time, you'll find that you can extend your meditation practice and experience deeper levels of inner calm. Journaling is another effective practice. Each day, write about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Reflect on what brings you peace and what disrupts it. Use your journal as a tool for self-discovery and personal growth. Live with purpose. To find your purpose, consider what truly matters to you. What are your passions, values, and goals? Write them down and create a vision for your life. Let this vision guide your daily actions and decisions. When you live with purpose, you exude a sense of direction and confidence that is highly attractive. Your purpose doesn't have to be grand or world-changing. It can be as simple as being a loving partner, a dedicated professional, or a kind and compassionate friend. The key is to align your actions with your values and to pursue your goals with determination and integrity. Once you have a clear sense of purpose, set specific, measurable goals that align with your vision. Break these goals down into manageable steps and create a plan for achieving them. Review your progress regularly and adjust your plan as needed. By living with purpose, you'll create a life that is meaningful and fulfilling. Be resilient. Resilience is built through facing challenges head-on. Embrace difficulties as opportunities for growth. When you encounter setbacks, ask yourself what you can learn from the experience. Develop a growth mindset that sees challenges as stepping stones to success. Your resilience will inspire others and make you a more attractive partner. To build resilience, start by developing a positive attitude towards challenges. Instead of seeing them as obstacles, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Practice self-compassion by being kind to yourself when things don't go as planned. Remember that everyone faces difficulties, and it's how you respond to them that matters most. Another key to resilience is building a strong support network. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who encourage and uplift you. Seek out mentors and role models who inspire you and can offer guidance and advice. By building a strong support network, you'll have the resources and encouragement you need to overcome challenges and bounce back stronger than ever. Practice gratitude. Start a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This practice shifts your focus from what's lacking to what you have, enhancing your overall happiness and well-being. Share your gratitude with others by expressing appreciation for the people and opportunities in your life. This positive energy will strengthen your relationships. Gratitude is a powerful antidote to negative emotions such as envy, resentment, and frustration. By focusing on what you're grateful for, you'll cultivate a positive mindset that attracts more positive experiences into your life. In addition to keeping a gratitude journal, practice expressing gratitude in your daily interactions. Thank others for their kindness and support, and let them know how much you appreciate them. By sharing your gratitude, you'll strengthen your relationships and create a more positive and supportive environment. Show empathy. Empathy requires active listening and genuine interest in others. When you interact with someone, give them your full attention. Listen to their words, observe their body language, and respond with compassion. Your empathy will create deeper connections and make others feel valued and understood. To develop empathy, practice putting yourself in others' shoes. Imagine how they might be feeling and what they might be experiencing. Ask open-ended questions to encourage them to share their thoughts and feelings, and listen without judgment or interruption. Empathy also involves recognizing and validating others' emotions. Acknowledge their feelings and let them know that you understand and care. By showing empathy, you'll build trust and rapport, and create stronger, more meaningful connections. Maintain your boundaries. Identify your boundaries by reflecting on your values and limits. Communicate these boundaries clearly and assertively, without apology or explanation. Respecting your own boundaries is a form of self-respect, and others will respect you more for it. This self-respect is a key component of being a high-value man. Boundaries are essential for maintaining healthy relationships. They protect your time, energy, and well-being, and help you maintain a sense of balance and control. To set boundaries, first identify what is important to you and what you need to feel safe and respected. Then, communicate your boundaries clearly and assertively to others. Enforcing your boundaries can be challenging, especially if others are used to crossing them. Stay firm and consistent, and don't be afraid to say no when necessary. Remember that setting boundaries is an act of self-care and self-respect, and it will ultimately lead to healthier, more balanced relationships. Lead by example. Living your values consistently means acting with integrity in all aspects of your life. Be honest, reliable, and true to your principles. When others see you living your values, they'll be inspired to do the same. Your integrity and authenticity will attract people who appreciate and admire you for who you are. To lead by example, start by defining your core values and principles. What do you stand for, and what do you believe in? Write these values down and refer to them regularly. Use them as a guide for making decisions and taking action. Next, strive to embody these values in your daily life. Be honest and transparent in your interactions, and hold yourself accountable for your actions. When you make a mistake, acknowledge it and take steps to make it right. By living your values consistently, you'll inspire others to do the same and create a positive, supportive environment. Stay humble. Humility involves acknowledging your limitations and being open to learning and growth. Seek feedback from others and be willing to admit when you're wrong. Stay curious and open-minded, and you'll continue to grow and evolve. Your humility will make you more approachable and relatable. Humility is about recognizing that you don't have all the answers and being open to new perspectives and ideas. It's about being confident without being arrogant, and being willing to learn from others. To cultivate humility, practice self-reflection and self-awareness. Regularly assess your strengths and weaknesses, and seek feedback from others to gain a deeper understanding of yourself. Be willing to admit when you're wrong and take responsibility for your actions. Stay curious and open-minded by seeking out new experiences and learning opportunities. Read widely, ask questions, and be open to different perspectives. By staying humble, you'll continue to grow and evolve, and you'll build stronger, more meaningful relationships. Communicate clearly. Clear communication involves being honest, direct, and respectful in your interactions. Speak your truth with kindness and listen actively to others. Clear communication fosters trust and understanding, which are essential for any strong relationship. To communicate clearly, start by being honest and direct. Speak your truth with kindness and respect, and avoid using vague or ambiguous language. Be specific and concise, and make sure your message is clear and easy to understand. Active listening is also a key component of clear communication. When someone is speaking, give them your full attention and listen without interrupting. Show that you're listening by nodding, making eye contact, and responding with empathy and understanding. When you're communicating, pay attention to your tone and body language. These nonverbal cues can convey a lot of information and can impact how your message is received. Use a calm and respectful tone, and maintain open and positive body language. Take care of yourself. Self-care is about nurturing your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Prioritize activities that promote your health and happiness, such as exercise, healthy eating, and relaxation. When you take care of yourself, you show others that you value and respect yourself. This self-respect makes you more attractive and sets a positive example for others. To practice self-care, start by identifying activities that promote your well-being and make you feel good. This might include exercise, meditation, reading, spending time with loved ones, or pursuing hobbies and interests. Make time for these activities regularly, and prioritize them in your schedule. In addition to physical self-care, pay attention to your mental and emotional well-being. Practice mindfulness and stress management techniques, and seek support from friends, family, or a therapist when needed. By taking care of yourself, you'll be better equipped to handle life's challenges and maintain a positive, balanced outlook. By applying these Stoic principles in your daily life, you'll become a high-value man who naturally attracts respect and admiration. Women will be drawn to your inner strength, confidence, and authenticity, and they'll want to return to you because of the positive energy you bring to their lives. Now that you have these powerful insights, it's time to take action. Start incorporating these principles into your daily routine and watch how they transform your relationships and your life. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Share this video with your friends and help us spread the wisdom of Stoicism. Together, we can create a community of high-value men who inspire and uplift each other. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.